Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we have EIGRP, which means or stands Initiate Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. It's developed for Cisco, or it's made for Cisco. So let us configure the EIGRP. As you see already, I have configured the PCs with its IP address and a default gateway. We will only configure the routers and the EIGRP. Let's start with this router. Say no. Enable config. We have three interfaces. Let us start with interface 0 by 0. IP address will be 192.168.10.1. Subnet mask will be 255.255.0. And we have to say no shutdown and exit. We have two more interfaces, which is 0 by 1. IP address is 10.0.0.1. Subnet mask will be 255.255.252. And we say no shutdown. We have interface gigabit 0 by 2. IP address will be 80.0.0.1. 255 subnet mask 255.252. No shutdown. Exit, do write, and do show IP interface brief. Verify our configuration. It's correct. Gig 0 by 0, gigabit 0 by 1, gigabit 0 by 2. Let's come to this router 1. Say no. Enable config. Host name will be R1. No IP domain lookup. Interface gigabit 0 by 0. IP address will be 10.0.0.2. Subnet mask will be 255.255.252. And no shutdown. We have only two interfaces, which is gigabit 0 by 1 and gigabit 0 by 0. Let us configure the password here. It will be 20.0.0.2, 255.255.255.252, and no shutdown. Exit, do write, to show IP interface brief. We have only two interfaces. Let's go to router 4. Say no. Enable config. Host name will be R4. Interface gigabit 0 by 1 will be the IP address of 20.0.0.1. Subnet mask will be 255.255.252. No shutdown. Interface gigabit 0 by 0. IP address will be 192.168.20.1. Subnet mask will be 255.255.0, and no shutdown. We are left with gigabit 0 by 2. IP address will be 40.0.0.1. Subnet mask will be 255.255.252. No shutdown. Exit, do write, do show IP interface brief. Verify it. Let's check. We have two interfaces in this router. Config host name will be R3. No IP domain lookup. Interface gigabit 0 by 0. IP address will be 30.0.0.1. 255.255.252. No shutdown. Oh, sorry. This will take 2. Interface gigabit 0 by 1. IP address will be 40.0.0.2. 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Exit. Now we have configured the IP address of the Reuters interfaces. Let's check if the PC can ping its default gateway. Yes. Let's check if PC3 can ping its default gateway. Yes, it can ping its own default gateway. Let's check if it can ping PC1, which is in other network. Destination host unreachable. Can't ping, or it can't reach the traffic. So let us configure the EIGRP from this router. So configuring, you have to start with router. You have to give a premises, a number. Let's say 50. Network will be 192.168.10.0. Here we need to use the wildcard mask. Will be 0.0.255. We have left with two more interfaces, which is network 10.0.0.0. Wildcard will be .3 because it's /30. And we have network 30 to right. Exit. Let's copy, or no need. Let's configure here EIGRP Router. We gave 50. Network will be only 10.0.0.0. Wildcard will be 3. It's neighboring, and we have 20. Exit to right. Let's configure in this router EIGRP 50. Network will be 192.168.20.0 0.0.0.3. Oh, sorry. We have the 20.0.0.0. Wildcard will be the 3. And we have 40.0.0. Yes. Exit to right. We have router 3. Router E, we gave 50. We have two networks, which is 40.0.0.0. Wildcard will be .3, and we have 30. Exit and show IP neighbor. This is how to configure the EIGRP. Let's ping and check if this router again can ping the PC1. Yes, it can ping. Let's check from this PC. Ping 192.168.20.10. It can ping. Let's check to ping the other device, will be the 20. Always the first traffic drops on the first ping. Yes, it can ping. Let's check. Receive the 4 traffics or the 4 packets. Yes. So guys, hope you gain the knowledge on how to configure the EIGRP neighbor. Thank you so much.